Hi, this is Jill again, and I just wanted to go through with you what you can expect to have happen on a weekly basis in college algebra. I'm trying to follow a regular routine pattern so you can kind of get into the groove and know what to expect and set yourself up with a schedule as well that works for you. Every week we'll cover 2 or 3 sections from the textbook. It will be clearly labeled on Foxtail which sections we're covering. That gives you the opportunity to look at those sections in the textbook as a first run through of the material. Then each week there's going to be a short video of me explaining what we're going to talk about that week. I will make references to past weeks, make the connection to things that we've talked about before, and then also just introduce a little bit of the content that we're going to talk about later that week. Those short videos really aren't meant to be where you take notes and you really work out the problems. I would suggest sitting back, relaxing, and just absorbing what I am saying, getting used to the terminology, getting used to the words that I use, because it is kind of a new language. It's the language of math. The next thing would be the video lecture. This is where the real content is, well, it's where I am trying to explain the content in a way that hopefully is understandable. I like to use lots and lots of examples. I'll go through, introduce a concept, and then immediately show you what it looks like in an example. And we'll go through maybe three or four concepts with examples per videos. One thing I want to mention, and you're going to see this all over my Foxtail site, play the videos at whatever speed is best for you. If you want to slow them down, slow them down. If you want to speed them up because I'm talking too slow, speed them up. Video lectures are great because you can pause, work out problems, and then watch and see if you get the same result. You can also replay things if you want to review material again. The other thing that's going to show up for most weeks and most sections are a page of practice problems. Sometimes those practice problems, I will do a video as I work through those. Sometimes I will provide an answer key for those practice problems, but they're problems that are kind of outside of the lecture that just give you another chance to review the material and give yourself another chance to absorb the learning that can happen there. The final thing, and the thing that actually has a due date for you to turn in, is the XYZ homework. For each section, there is an XYZ homework assignment. It is online. You go through the website, you look at each problem, and you have multiple chances to complete each problem. So you get immediate feedback. You can look and try again. You can look at examples that there are links to. Each problem also has a link at the bottom that says message your instructor. That is a direct link to me that tells me who you are, what problem you're working on, and it shows me previous answers. I get insight into exactly what it is that you're working on, and it helps me help you. And here's the secret, I get those on my phone. I almost always have my phone, and I try to respond in real time. So please use that feature. So the point of having multiple ways of encountering the material in this course goes along with something that I have heard over the years. And I have heard that on average, I've heard that it takes on average 7 times of being exposed to a new concept or an idea for us to learn it. But I've also heard that it's actually more like 17 to 20 times on average. So the more times you hear something, you see something, you experiencing a new concept, the more able you are to learn it, because that's the way our brains work, and that's the way that I want to provide for you to experience college algebra.